Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 30, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this device. First of all, you need to access device's settings. After that, scroll all the way down. Now click on System and Updates, tap on Languages and Input, and choose Current Keyboard in order to make sure that Gboard is on. Then tap on On-Screen Keyboard and select Gboard here. Finally, just tap on Text Correction, scroll down a bit, and tap on this sweater next to Auto Correction. As you can see, the sweater is gray. That means that automatic text correction is disabled. If you want to enable it, tap on the same sweater one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!